Hello, my name is Caitlin, and I'm from the REACH study team. Thank you for being a part of the REACH study. I'm going to walk you through the hair sample collection process. We collect hair because it lets us measure your exposures to things in the environment like metals and stress. Before we get into the specific instructions, we wanted to note that if your hair is in a protective style, such as braids, locks, or wigs, such that no loose strands are available, collect the next time your hair is in its natural state. If this applies to you, please let a REACH team member know at your next appointment. We will now walk you through everything that you received in your sample kit and what you will need to do the hair collection. The items in your kit may look slightly different than the items in this video. First, let's get the sample kit that you received in the mail. Remove the large plastic bag from the mailer and take a look at the label on the bag. This label tells you what is included in the kit, why we are collecting these samples, and what to do before your next appointment. When you take everything out of your kit, you should find these items: stool kit, vaginal swab kit, hair kit, ice pack, and a green sample collection slip. Make sure you have all the contents in your late pregnancy kit. If you don't, please contact REACH staff. If you have already completed one of the other sample collections, you may already have removed some items from the kit. Find the plastic bag labeled Hair Collection for Mom and review the label. Remove the contents in the green slip of paper from your kit. At this time, you may want to get the vanity set that we sent you in your previous sample mailer. This kit has scissors, which you could use to cut your hair if you like. Before we move on to collecting a hair sample, here are a few things to note. We only need 5 strands of hair. Your hair does not need to be freshly washed for collection. It's okay if your hair is bleached, dyed, treated, or has hairspray or product on it. Only use hair that has been collected directly from your head. Do not use hair from the face or other parts of the body. Do not use hair that falls out naturally or hair left on a brush or comb. If you have active head lice, please provide the sample when lice treatment is complete and you no longer have lice. Now that you are ready to collect your hair sample, it may be helpful to use a mirror while cutting your hair. You can choose a small section of hair wherever is easiest for you to cut. Cut out 5 strands of hair as close to your scalp as possible. Avoid plucking, ripping, or tearing strands from your head. Once your hair is cut, place the strands of hair in the white envelope. Then, seal the envelope and place it into the clear biohazard bag, and then place the biohazard bag into the black REACH cooler bag. But wait, there's one more step. Please locate the green sample collection sheet and record the date and time you collected your hair and answer the hair questions on the sheet. Place the green sample collection sheet into your black REACH cooler bag and be sure to bring the black REACH cooler bag to your next REACH appointment. Thank you for being a part of the REACH study. Your hair sample is important to us, and because of your contributions, we can continue the research we are doing. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out at 313-874-3151.